If your lips look dry or dull, and you want natural shine with a soft tint without buying new makeup, this DIY tinted lip gloss is for you. It gives instant gloss, natural color, and makes lips look healthy over time. Most people think lips need heavy lipstick, but the real problem is dryness. When lips are hydrated, even a little tint looks beautiful. So this DIY focuses on moisture, shine, and a natural glow. Let's make it. Take half a spoon of Vaseline. This is the base. Vaseline locks in moisture, smooths dry lips, and gives instant glossy shine. Next, add 2 to 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Now for the color. This is the best part. Take a small amount of your old lipstick. Any shade works, pink, nude, or red. Just scrape a tiny bit. We don't need too much. Add it to the Vaseline mixture and mix everything really well until the color melts and blends smoothly into a glossy tinted balm. Before applying, clean your lips. Gently rub them with a damp towel to remove dead skin. No harsh scrubbing. Apply a thin layer using your finger. Instantly, your lips look glossy, soft, and naturally tinted, not heavy, not overdone. You can use this as a daily tinted gloss or apply a thicker layer at night as a lip mask. When you wake up, your lips feel smooth, hydrated, and healthy. Use this daily for 1 week and you'll notice your lips look better even without any product. Save this video, try it today, and comment "glow" if you want more easy DIY beauty hacks.